Alrighty guys, as promised, here's your daily dose of Dr. S. He's going to be talking a lot more about the B12 and what it does. And today's topic is vegans and why vegans are deficient in B12 and why it's beneficial for them to use the B12 patches. So take it away, Doc.
Thank you, Petra. I want to mention one article in the July issue of the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. They did a study and they found out that 92% of vegans who have a strict diet like vitamin B12 and 75% who followed the veggie diet that included milk and eggs were still deficient on vitamin B12. So the vegan population are at high risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. Now, vitamin B12 is extremely important for your red blood cell formation and also your nervous system. And another thing that is extremely important is that vitamin B12 boosts your blood levels of homocysteine, which is also an amino acid, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. And people who are low on vitamin B12, they have a high level of homocysteine, and that creates a high risk for heart disease and vascular disease. So it's extremely important to bring that vitamin B12 back to normal on vegans. Now, as you know, there are three ways of bringing up the vitamin B12. One of them is through IM injections, but as you know, it's painful. You need to go to a doctor. So the compliance with this treatment is very low. And people have a couple of injections, they drop the treatment. The other way is oral treatment and oral intake of vitamin B12. But as we know, this one has also some problems because the absorption of vitamin B12 is extremely unpredictable through oral system. So the best way delivery would be the transdermal drug delivery system, which is called also TDDS, what we call it patch. So the patch are the best, and in the latest article in the Skin Pharmacology and Physiology in 2007, an excellent article was written that they found out that the best way to increase the intake of vitamin B12 was through patches because it brings the level up, the compliance is very high, and is extremely easy to do it.
Alrighty, thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Petra.
Next up,